Hi guys, welcome to Naga. My name is Kasia and I'm a community manager here at Naga. You will see and hear a lot from me on the Naga feed. That's because I'm the eyes and the ears of this community. So why are you here? You are here to harness all the benefits that Naga has to offer. That includes amazing features, being part of the Naga community, which is vibrant and really active. You are here for automated and simplified trading experience. All this and I am here to show you how to do all that and more. So let's get right into it. So here is the Naga feed and this is where all the magic happens. I'm gonna show you right now, step by step, how to use every little thing on here and how to make the best of it. Okay, we will start from your own profile. This is your profile. You will want to start from updating your profile picture. This is how you do it. And your cover photo. The profile looks obviously much nicer, much more creative. You can put anything really that's compliant with community guidelines, of course. But yeah, you will have your mini stats bar where we will show all your followers, autocopiers, people you're following, the visitors on your profile. And this is where you get to put your mini bio and advertise a little bit about yourself. So your experience, what you trade, why should people autocopy you. My account obviously is private, but here you will normally see the autocopy button. I will show you on another profile in a bit. So this is where people can just click and autocopy your trades. Let's move on to posting your first update. In Naga, you can use hashtags, and we have 3 types of tags in general. So first one is a normal general hashtag. So you will go hello. So that's a normal hashtag. Trading today. Now this is something unique at Naga. This is our cash tag. So if you're trading something and you want to share it with the rest of the community, you will cash tag the asset you want to talk about. So Bitcoin. And if you want to tag another user, let's say me, this is what you do. Simple tag. Okay? And then you click post. Well, there you go. This is your first post. If you want to attach some pictures or videos to your post, this is how you do it. This is for pictures. This is for videos. You can specify how you're feeling today. Maybe you're feeling morning, bullish, bearish. You can always let us know. And here are our emojis. So yes, it's pretty cool. You should be using this feature. You should be very active on Naga feed because that's how you get popular. So you will want to post regularly. You will want to comment on posts of other users. You will want to tag, hashtag, do all those things because that will only help you be more successful. I mentioned commenting and liking, so let's see how you comment and like others' posts. So here we have a post by Naga Academy, and we can comment on that. So you click on that and you go, great, can't wait. And you just send it away and like the post. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty straightforward, like on any other social media platform. This is no different, except you know that people who will see your content are just like you. They're into trading, they're actively trading themselves, they're either copying or are, trying to become leaders. So now let's look around a little bit around the global feed, because this is what we call global feed. Your private profile is your profile feed. So global feed has a lot of information for you in compact form. So if you go to the right, you will see top wins from today or a week or a month, and you will see top leaders. Now I want to specify top leaders are people who are performing the best on Naga. They're not necessarily yet popular investors. These are the ones that made it to the top of our leaderboard, which I will speak about shortly. Then we have real-time trades. You can see what people are trading currently. You have the tops and the flops. Comes with the territory. Now on the other side, you can see the most recent updates by Naga Academy about our webinars. Now, we have webinars daily in different languages, so you can just click here and see what's coming up and register, of course. Now, the highlighted articles will give you updates about Naga, about new features, about the top performances of the traders. So this is a section you want to pay attention to. If you scroll a little bit down, here you will see pinned items. Now these are posts with announcements, again, something to pay attention to, so you will always see it on top of your global feed. And if you scroll down, here we go. Most recent updates by all other users that you follow, that you auto-copy. So you can see here, you can like their posts, you can read the articles they share. And yeah, it's just like Facebook for traders. We always say that it's addictive, mind you. And now I want to show you the coolest part about Naga feed. We go back to markets. Let's choose an asset. Let's say, I don't know, Ethereum. Let's go Ethereum Euro. Now, accept the chart and the price information and the fact that you can just buy and sell here. We have our assets own feed. So you can go here. Obviously you have explanation, a little bit information about the asset, and you have the feed of the asset where you see users talking about it. You can see who's trading it currently, who is asking questions about it, who's posting some kind of information. So that's why hashtag is so important. If you're interested in a particular asset and you want to know more about it and you want to find other traders that are interested in it, this is the place to go. We made it so easy for you to follow up on those things. So yeah, this is a cool feature that we provide to our users. On top of the page, you will see information about your balance, about how much you've invested, your equity, your P&L, and your available funds. Of course, pay attention to your margin level. I don't need to tell you. And we have those tabs here. Now, if you click on markets, you will see all the assets that you can trade. You can search whatever you can find in this search bar. Here you will see your trades. Like I say, this is my test profile, so I don't have any active trades at the moment, but you will be able to see them here. Here is our leaderboard. This is a very important place for you because this is where you will want to be a lot. You will want to see your name on top of these categories. So leaderboard shows the best performances within a week or today or the past month or all time. These are the categories that I'm talking about here. And we go by profits made or profits made for copiers, successful copiers, copy bonus earned, managed funds, profits on crypto, best return, most copied, most trades made, most referral bonus, and so on and so on and so on. There are many categories that you can find yourself in and you have a chance to be the best at. You can see that all the best performances are listed here. It's a long list, but the top 3 is right here at the top. This is the goal. This is where we want to be. Now, our users who want to find traders to copy, they come to the leaderboard, they see who is doing the best, who is active, who has how many autocopiers, what they trade, they can see their stats, and they can make their decisions based on that. The next tab is copy trading. This is where you will see all the trades that you opened or closed or are active or not. So yeah, after choosing the trader to copy, you auto-copy him. let's say we can do fixed amounts. Let's say 50 euros, $50. So we set our stop loss at -20. This is just, this is not the financial advice. I'm just inputting numbers to show you how it works. And you start autocopy. Simple as that. So now you will see your copied trades right here. You have those active ones. And then we have Academy. Now here you can find helpful articles, like I said, the webinars, tutorials, and our most amazing ebooks that we recently added for all the users to enjoy. These are written by Andreas Talasinos, the Director of Education, and they are really worth checking out. Even though you're coming with your own strategy and I'm sure you're already experienced, this will help to maybe open your horizons a little bit. So I invite you to check them out. So the next tab you will want to visit and use quite a lot is Naga Messenger. We have all these public channels where you can discuss anything you need to discuss with other users. So we have them grouped by topic. We have a general channel, we have Naga Coin, we have education, tech updates, challenges, announcements, where you can see everything we're trying to communicate to you. This is read only. So we have also offers and economic calendar. These are the public channels. You can, for example, enter education. So if you want to ask a question to our educators, let's say, you can just simply post it here and wait for an answer. So if you want to join one of the channels, you just click here, join. Okay, join. And there you go, you're a part of the channel. The next tab is your crypto wallet, of course. This is where all your cryptos will be living. This is their home. Obviously, together with Naga X, where you can use the Naga exchange. You'll be using it a lot if you're trading crypto, so we will have another tutorial on this as well. So here is our FAQ section. All the answers are here, I guarantee. And in an off chance that their answer is not there, you can always contact our support team by clicking here, submit a ticket. Another menu that you should know about is when you click on your profile picture here in the corner, this menu pops up, and here you can either view your profile, go to your settings, turn on the dark mode, you can view your trading accounts, you can set your price alerts, you have your bonus wallet, money management tab, you have our awesome economic calendar to keep up with the markets, market buzz, Naga card transfer, you have your documents, contests, refer a friend program, support chat, crypto exchange, MasterCard and IBAN, and you can log out, but you don't want to log out. Okay, so that's another menu. Here are your deposits and withdrawals. Obviously, you will need to approve all the payment methods, all your bank details. This is something that we're really serious about. We are a regulated entity, and we do need to be very thorough when it comes to approving your identity in any case. So here it is. You will choose your deposit method, you will choose your withdrawal method. It's pretty straightforward, but if you need any help, like I said, we have FAQ articles about it for you. So yes, let's go back to, let's say, our leaderboard. Let's choose this profile so I can show you how your stats will look to other traders. They will be able to see your profile feed. So all people who are auto-copying you and your updates about your winnings and hopefully not much losses, and your status updates, anything you share basically on your feed. Then they will be able to view your stats, daily, weekly, monthly, or all time. Here is everything that all your autocopiers will be able to find out about you. So you want to keep them obviously in green in order for your profile to be more attractive and attract more autocopiers. And then they will be able to view your trades. So here they are. Really, really nice. And when it comes to your own profile, I just wanted to let you know that you can view your own stats as well. You can see your track record, and as of right now, you can also view your VIP level, which means you can track on which VIP level currently your account is set. Mine is right now a silver account, which means the minimum deposit of $5,000. We have a whole video about it explaining how VIP levels work, so you for sure will be all filled in about it. We made it very easy for you to fund and to reach new levels, and what comes with it, awesome benefits. So you want to find out more about these VIP levels. The last thing I would like to show you on our Naga feed is this little section here. You can find out more about Naga. You can download the apps straight from here to your mobile. More about trading, our features, the disclaimer obviously. You can download your MT4 and MT5 accounts right in here, and you can read all about our community guidelines, which is really, really important that you follow through. You can also follow us on other social media channels. This is where we post all the fun stuff and all exciting content, so you will want to keep up with us. Here on top, as you see, is the main search bar. You can use it to search for other users, as you see, other traders, or symbols, features, or FAQs. So that's it. That was your introduction to Naga feed. I hope you enjoyed it, and happy trading!